Betty Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here today to do a walkthrough of my newest project using Doodlebug Doggone Cute. So I did both the dog and the cat. The album layout itself is the exact same in both. The tutorial I actually is with the black cardstock that I made the base when I made the base for this album. I know what I'm trying to say. So the tutorial is the same for both of them. Of course, then you can mat it. You could mix, honestly, you could mix and match both of these. It would be super cute. But let's just take a walk through this. The album itself is 8.5 by 8.5 with a 3-inch spine. It is kind of a chunkier one, but I wanted there to be space for pictures and to add things in, you know, more elements you wanted to, even than what I put in there, to be able to decorate and really pop things up if you want to. So you've got the space to do that. So one of the differences between the two collections is the dog paper had 2 4x6 cut aparts. The cat had 3 4x4 on one of the sheets. And this one was just too cute not to use on the cover. So all I did is just pop that up on a little petite print mat that I then popped up again. And then I put these little dogs across the top because they're so stinking cute. I think I used every dog that was in the odds and ends pack. I'm not even joking. We've got the sticker here from the This and That sticker sheet that's part of the paper collection if you buy the full collection kit. And then again from the This and That sticker sheet on the back. Same as the cat album. To make this, you would need the Doggone Cute collection kit, the matching petite prints, which is what these some of the, not solids, like I want to say solids, but they're not really solids. The not pattern paper. Does that make sense? Anyway, so the collection kit, petite prints, and then the odds and ends and the chit chat. So over here we've got a acetate pocket, and we've got the little dog with his little butt wagging, burying his little bone, and I've just used some twine to make that into a closure right there. And that's just fun. And then use some of the odds and ends to make this little dangle on the end of my twine. This is one of the tags on this pocket, and then I took that same tag sheet and just made a couple of little booklets from those tags that I have then tucked into the pocket here. This is kind of, which it slid a little bit when I was putting it in the book, unfortunately, so you've got a little bit of a gap here that shouldn't have been there, but that's okay. The odds and ends are not glued completely down, so you could tuck a picture behind here. We've got I Heart My Puppy Dog. This flips up. We've got the pet supplies here. And the howling dogs. Okay, I cannot tell you how much I love these howling dogs. They are so stinking cute. It's just, they're too much fun. And that will just sit closed. We've got inserts, 6x8 inserts in each one of the pages. And this was the one, I need to fix that. This was the one that I didn't realize I had actually glued it to the page behind it because it wasn't totally dry when I stuck it in there. So I'm glad I pulled that out just now. That was lucky. All right. So, and those just slip down in the pages of the book. And see, that's exactly how I did that yesterday. All right, so next page, we've just done a very simple layout. Again, this is all loose, so you can get a picture back behind here. I did this fun little acetate pocket, and it was especially fun with this one because I did have these elements that mirrored each other, so I could put one on each side, and you're not seeing my adhesive or anything else showing through on the other side. So that's a fun little element that I walk you through in the tutorial. Here again, we have another layout with the chit chat and the odds and ends pieces. Another insert. Here we have a belly band. I did leave that insert unmatted on purpose. Not originally, but it's on purpose now. This is the back side of that tag paper. Again, we have another pocket, and I have the other 4x6 cut apart. And then a scrap of the word collage paper that I just think is adorable, so it had to go in there. On the back here, we've got another place for a photo. We've got another nice big layout page here. And I don't think I showed that this flips up in the cat album, but it does. So this flips up and opens out. These are the cute list papers in the collection kit. And then back here we've got a nice big pocket, another little 4x4 pocket flap with a couple more of the list cut aparts. And then, I don't know, personally, I thought the dogs in this are way too cute for there to be a beware of dog sign. So I added this little chit chat piece. Beware, my dog hair is my glitter. I'm sure there was a cat version of that I missed somehow when I was decorating, because I totally would have used that, because I'm currently covered in cat hair because I've been gone for 2 days and the cat just loved all over me the minute I walked in the house. So it happens. Pet owners know. Cute little chit chat pieces there. Cut aparts, and again, I changed, you know, what little sentiment was there to something that I thought made more sense for my album. We've got an insert here. More of the, these are both chit chat pieces. This is an odds and ends. And then we've just got a small 3x4 waterfall, double waterfall there. And that little insert just keeps that tucked in and held down like so. And that's it. That is the project. The tutorial will post as a separate video. Go check out the cat version as well. If you've got both animals, you could mix them together and make it a really fun album. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!